Hi friends, it's Miss Long back with another video to help us with our 3-digit adding. Today's EQ was how can I use strategies to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping. So what we are going to do in this video is walk through all 3 strategies using the same problem. First strategy was our base 10 models. So the very first thing I'm going to do is model both of these numbers. I'm going to model 177 first, so 100, 7 tens, and 7 ones. I'm going to model 210 next, 2 hundreds, 1 10, 4 ones. And now I can start adding. Remember what Miss Long said, that we always start adding in our ones place first. So I'm going to add my ones first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. What do we know? What happens when we have 10 ones in our ones place? That can't happen. So these 10 ones become a 10. So we're going to cross them out and move it next door to our tens place. Now we only have 1 1 left. I'm done with my ones. I'm going to move to my tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm good there. And last but not least, I have to add my hundreds. 100 plus 1 200s is 300. So my answer is 391. All right, let's move to the number line strategy. It's the same problem. Since we are working with the number line, the very first thing that I want to do is draw that number line on my paper. And I'm going to put 177 on the end. I'm going to have to jump or move 214 on my number line. I'm going to start with let's start with our big jumps first. So I'm going to do 200s, or 2 jumps of 100. 177, 100 more is 277. 277 plus 100 more is 377. Now I'm going to move to my tens. I'm going to make a hop of 10. 377 plus 10, or 10 more than 377, is 387. Now I'm going to make 4 little skips. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one of these skips is worth 1. So we're going to count by ones. 387, 388, 389, 390, 391. So the answer that we received when we used the number line strategy was 391. Let's check with our base 10s. It is the same answer, so we used that strategy correctly. Let's move to our last strategy. It's the expanded form. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is write these numbers in expanded form, making sure that my place values are lined up correctly. So 177 in expanded form is 100 plus 70 plus 7. Now I'm going to write 214 in expanded form, making sure that my place values are lined up. So my hundreds are in my hundreds, my tens are with my tens, and my ones are with my ones. The same rule applies when we're adding base 10s. We always start in that ones place. So 7 plus 4 is 10, plus 70 plus 10 is 80, plus 100 plus 200, 300. Now, friends, we notice that we have 300 plus, 7 plus 10 is 11. Oh, Miss Long, making mistakes. It is 11. There we go. So when we add our expanded form, now we can see that we have 11 in the ones place, and we know that we can't have that happen. So that means that there's 10 here. There's a 10 in 11, and only 1 is left. So now when we add 70 plus 10 is 80, plus 10 more is 90. So when we put all of our expanded form together, 300 plus 90 plus 1 is 391. All right, and that is how we use expanded form for adding with regrouping. If you still need help, please let Miss Long know. Have a great rest of your day.